computer every day for work, and I need my nails to be amazing, but not so amazing that I can't comfortably type on the keyboard. Well, let me tell you, these L.A Colors Holographic Press On nails allow me to type lightning fast and get my work done. Now, before I begin, I prep my nails for the press-ons, and I start by cutting my real nails down and filing them. This step is completely optional, and you can skip it if you want. This is just my preference. In addition, I push my cuticles back. Again, this is just my preference, and it is not required. Packaging does not say anything about doing either one of these. I just like the way it looks on my nails. These nails are so pretty. They are L.A Colors short holographic nails in the color Peaches and Cream. The color really stood out to me among all the other colors I saw at the store. Plus, this was the very last set in this color. So that told me that plenty of other folks like the color too. And everything you need comes right in this little package. You get 32 nails, you get glue, a prep pad, and a small emery board. So there's nothing additional that you need except this package. Putting on these press-on nails is really simple. Oh my goodness, I remember way back in the day in middle school and high school, Lee press-on nails were extremely popular. Comment below if you remember Lee press-on nails. I think they were the first ones on the market that were like this, and they were all the rage. But anyway, these nails are really simple to put on. You get a variety of sizes in the package, so you should have absolutely no problem finding a good fit for your nail size. So just keep going through the nails until you find the size for your fingers. My tip is to find all of your sizes first for both hands, and then just lay them aside, and do this before you start gluing them on. So this way you'll be all set, and you won't have to fumble around in the middle of the gluing process. I love these holographic nails. The name is Peaches and Cream, and it's a perfect description of the color on these nails. Wait, did I mention these nails were only $5? And that's what, about a quarter of the price for a nail salon visit? I mean, why go to the salon and spend more than you need to when you can do this kind of thing at home? And let me say this, I do go to the salon on occasion to get my nails and hair done. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Every girl likes that. But at the same time, I do have a very busy family life, and I prefer to spend my free time with my family because I can never get time back. So, plus, I just really love to DIY just about anything. I've always loved to do my hair and my nails myself. It's just something that I enjoy. This entire process took me only about 15 minutes, and I think that's not too bad considering I had to find the nails and find the fit for my fingers. So if you haven't tried press-on nails in a while, give them a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.